Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Berlin local and long-distance movers near me. Moving house is never easy. One of the headaches that you must address when moving is the question of how to package your household goods. 3 Movers gives a checklist below that you should ideally tick off whilst packaging. Starter pack. Prior to packaging, there is a starter pack of sorts that you need to have at your disposal. Boxes. This is the main tool for the job. Your goal is to find as many sizes of boxes as possible. Ensure that you get free or low-priced boxes that are in good condition. Sources of boxes could either be neighbors or shopping stores that discard them after unpacking their products. Bubble wrap. This offers 2 advantages. First, it ensures that the household good being moved is steady when moving. Secondly, it ensures that any superficial scratches or denting to your stuff are prevented. Bubble wraps can be purchased from office supply stores. Moving dolly. The leverage offered by this bit of equipment is that it saves you from back-wrenching work. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Berlin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.